Welcome to online teaching. Today we will discuss chapter 7th of geography, lifelines of Indian economy. Okay, this is module first. Okay, in this we will be discussing about the means of the transport. You have read, you are aware about the means of the transport. So the lifelines of Indian economy, it means the means of transport and communication. These are very important part of a nation, or you may say they plays an important role in the development of a nation. There are some of the factors that will help in improving the Indian economy. Okay, now you can see many of the goods are used by us, and some are available and others we have to arrange. So you can see that fruits, vegetables, the basic needs, you may say the needs that are fulfilled, that are to be fulfilled, we have to use, we have to arrange. Okay, now this can be only helped by means of transport, because everything is not available in a country, in a place. Everything is to be arranged somehow. Some of the nations are there where maximum of the things are arranged, and where some of the nations are also there where very few things are arranged. They are to be assembled. Okay, so here what you may say, that some of the goods are there, you may say the traders. What is the role of the traders? That these traders, they produce the goods in their factories and in the industries, and after that they send the goods to different parts, that may be within a nation or even outside the nation. So these traders, they plays an important, you can take the example of a farmer who have, you may say, sown the crops into the fields. He has irrigated, he has used the pesticides, manures and other things, and after that the crop is ready, the crop is ripened, and after that harvesting, what will be there? If no means of transport will be there, the farmer will suffer. The farmer will suffer if no means of transport, because he has invested or he has done a lot of hard work to, you may say, get this crop, and if no means of transport, then that will be a waste. So it means you can see that from one place to another, these means of transport, there are the three types of that, you may say, land, air and water. I think you are aware. And in this, what will be the railways, roadways and pipelines. This is a new thing that we will be discussing. Air, that you may say domestic and international, and in water, that is also inland and outland, or you may say outside, other areas. So these things we will be discussing. So you may say that these means of transport that are very helpful, they will help in improving the economic condition of the nation. You can see some areas are deficit in minerals and agriculture. So how it can to be arranged? It is to be arranged only by the means of transport. and beside that, means of communication, that is also an important one. Nowadays the dealings, the business dealings that are with these communication. Now you can see some of the peoples are there, and even import and export, that is also one of the important part. Okay, now you can see in India, there is a lot of diversity. There is a lot of diversity in means of religion, linguistic, socio-economic inequalities. But even then, we are not far behind with the competition to other countries. Why? Because good transport, communication, science, technology, they helped a lot, like banking and other things are there that are helping a lot to improve the condition of India. Okay, now earlier there were no means of transport, or you may say that were very less, rarest one. But due to the development of science and technology, new things, new and good infrastructure came. So due to this, we are having the best means of communication, and you may say best means of transport. So these are some of the factors that we will be discussing in this chapter.